In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Microsoft Teams meeting. If you're new to Microsoft Teams, don't worry. This is a beginner-friendly walkthrough, and I'll show you two simple ways to create a meeting. The first method is best if you want to schedule something for later, and the second is perfect if you need a meeting link right away. Let's start with scheduling a meeting in Teams. First, open Microsoft Teams on your Windows or Mac computer. Once Teams is open, look at the left-hand menu and click Calendar. This is where you manage upcoming meetings and events. Next, click New Event. A meeting form will open, and this is where you'll enter the main details. Start by typing a title for your meeting so everyone knows what it's about. After that, choose the date and time. Make sure the timing is correct before sending the invite, especially if you're inviting multiple people. Then add your participants in the required attendees field by entering their email addresses. You can also include any extra meeting details or an agenda in the description area. This is helpful if you want attendees to know what will be discussed before the meeting begins. Before you finish, make sure the Teams meeting option is enabled. This is important because it creates the online meeting link automatically. Once everything looks good, click Save or Send. After that, your participants will receive an invitation with a join meeting link they can use at the scheduled time. Now let's look at the faster option, creating a meeting link instantly. Open Microsoft Teams again, then go to Calendar. This time click Meet Now. If prompted, enter a meeting name, then click Start Meeting. Teams will create the meeting immediately. From there, click Share Invite or Copy Meeting Link. You can then send that link through email, WhatsApp, Messenger, or any other messaging app you prefer. This method is especially useful for quick calls, last-minute meetings, or informal team check-ins. Before you actually enter the meeting, take a moment to review your setup. Check your camera and decide whether you want it on or off. Make sure the correct microphone is selected so others can hear you clearly. Test your speaker settings to confirm your audio is working properly. If needed, you can also choose a background effect for a cleaner or more professional look. Once everything is ready, click Join Now. And that's how to create a Microsoft Teams meeting, whether you want to schedule it in advance or start one instantly.